Look at this building. Really look at it. It doesn't go straight up. It spirals, twisting a full 120 degrees from base to roof. Now, most architects would call that a nightmare. So why did the engineers behind China's tallest building do it on purpose? Shanghai's Pudong district sits on soft river delta soil, and it gets hit by brutal typhoon winds. Now stack over 2,000 feet of steel and glass on top of that. A perfectly straight, flat-sided tower would catch the wind like a giant sail, swaying, groaning, and putting enormous stress on everything inside, from the structure down to your coffee cup on the 100th floor. So the architects at Gensler asked a strange question. What if the building just got out of the wind's way? Instead of fighting the wind head-on, they twisted the tower's outer skin 120 degrees as it rises. Picture peeling an apple in one long spiral strip. That's the shape logic here. Building a twisting skyscraper isn't like stacking floors. Each level is rotated slightly from the one below it, which meant custom-shaped steel and glass for nearly every floor. Construction crews worked through 9 years of planning and building, coordinating thousands of uniquely angled glass panels that had to fit perfectly into a structure that never repeats itself. Here's the payoff. That spiral shape breaks up the wind. Instead of one giant gust hitting a flat wall, the curved twisting surface lets wind slip around the building in smaller, weaker vortices. Engineers tested this in wind tunnels and found the design cut wind loads by about 24%. Less wind force means lighter structural steel, which saved builders roughly $58 million. On top of that, a massive 1,000-ton damper near the top acts like a pendulum, swinging opposite the building's sway to keep things smooth for everyone inside. Between the 2 floors of glass on the outer and inner facade, there's also a cushion of air acting like a thermal blanket, cutting energy use for heating and cooling. A few things you might not know. Shanghai Tower has the world's fastest elevators, hitting speeds over 40 miles an hour. Its double-skin facade doesn't just save energy, it also creates 9 indoor sky gardens stacked up the building, essentially vertical parks hundreds of feet in the air. And that twist isn't just functional. Engineers found it also reduces the building's perceived height from the ground, making it feel less imposing to the city around it. So the next time you see a building that looks like it's twisting for style points, remember, sometimes the strangest shapes are actually the smartest ones. Shanghai Tower isn't just fighting the wind, it's dancing with it. What should Uncle Frank explain next? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Uncle Frank Builds.